Guys, many people are asking me what kind of voices am I using in the keyboard. So I want to show you how to set voices for worship. So you come here to your right one, you can use grant, you can use in right two, something like suitcase EP, right? You open it there, and in right three, you make sure you use dark fatso, very good. And then you come here to mixer. This is where the magic happens now. Come to mixer. To your mixer, you balance things here now. Make sure there is no voice that is higher than the other. Make sure they blend. That's the idea. You can feel that you can create that atmosphere with dark fatso. The other thing that is very important is don't forget, you come here to chorus, yeah, to your effects now. Make sure the reverbs are down. Reverbs, come to your chorus. These are effects, just effects. Add something to grant, to suitcase EP, but make sure you leave. You had like, let's say 8 for our dark fatso because it is worship, and that is what we are measuring with. So by now you can feel it. Can feel anything that you hear that is higher than the other, you balance it more. So for this case, I will reduce the dark fatso, remain with that. Let's say let's do 70. 70, it's okay. Can feel it. It's creating that atmosphere of worship. That is what is happening. So that's how we set our worships, and we place our voices correctly. Thank you.